Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center and middle align text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document with some text. Now we want to align center and middle in this text. Select whole text, click and drag on our mouse. Otherwise you can use the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl A. Then go to the text box menu. Then select the align center. Then select the middle. Go back the home menu, then click the center align. Now we can see we align center and middle this all text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.